saw the sign. It was in their eyes. It's XANA.
Hurry! They'll peck away at us until there's nothing left! I take it all back! It wasn't a dumb film after all! Head for the passage! I'll try to lure them over to my side! Come on, little birdies! Over here!
Odd, come on, we're here.
Give me a second to finish my acupuncture session!
Incredible! I forget to check the super scan for a few hours and bang, a XANA attack. Don't worry, everything will be just fine once we get the tower deactivated.
Go on, your turn. Odd? What? A big flock of birds? Okay, I'll be right there. Yumi, wait up! No, don't follow me! Johnny, get going! It's me that they're after!
I don't believe it!
We've been through worse. And besides, it's not every day we have such a big audience.
We'll delay them. Head for the elevator. See you later.
Over here! We're waiting!
Lauren, Odd, hurry up! Faster! Faster!
I took out 5 of them. How about you?
I don't know. But if you're trying to cheat, don't forget that the birds aren't part of the stats. Only monsters sent by XANA.
Yumi's all on her own. I hope she's okay. There's no answer. Don't panic. I'll virtualize you in the vicinity of the activated tower, and then I'll call Yumi. Too late.